Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens, Hillsborough. We're approaching peak bloom season here in New Jersey with countless flowers opening every day. You really have to see it to believe it. In addition to being Pollinator Month, June is also known as Perennial Month because of the sheer number of flowers that come into bloom at this time of the year. Everywhere you look, there's another proud perennial putting on a flower show for some hungry pollinator. This is also a great time of the year to get your plants in the ground while the soil is nice and warm, promoting prompt root growth and establishment. By planting perennials, you're making a lasting investment that you can reap floral rewards from for years to come. Over time, you can create a backyard paradise buzzing with life and beauty. This week, we'll be taking a look at more incredible blooming perennials, each offering something different and delightful for your garden. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in.
Yarrow is a native perennial that is full sun-loving, very drought-tolerant, and will bloom for you all summer long. They make great cut flowers, and they can also be used to make teas that aid in your digestion. And you can also use their leaves as an anti-inflammatory for any bug bites you might get out in your garden. Spigelia or Pinkroot will tolerate anywhere from full sun to shade, and they're a native here to New Jersey. Their beautiful red to slightly orange flowers are a wonderful hummingbird attractant for your garden. If you're looking for a beautiful flowering perennial for your shade garden, I would recommend Astilbe. They have beautiful fluffy flowers that have a long bloom time and are incredibly deer resistant. These full sun-loving perennials are known as Shasta Daisies. They are incredibly drought tolerant once they're established and will bloom for you from June to September. These hardy flowering shrubs are known as Spirea. They'll tolerate anywhere from full sun to part shade, and they will bloom from late spring all the way through the summer.
If you're looking for a shade-loving perennial that requires little maintenance, look no further than Hosta. These big, beautiful plants come in so many different varieties, and they shoot up these gorgeous flowers towards the beginning of summer as well. They're a great pick for pollinators and your backyard. Another pollinator perennial that loves a damp spot in the yard is going to be this beautiful Delphinium. They're a little more fragile with these really tall blooms there, so they work really well when planted together with other perennials to create more of a meadow look. If you have a soggy spot in the yard and you're not sure what to do with it, look no further than Itea or Sweetspire. This plant releases these clusters of white, fragrant flowers that are perfect for pollinators, and it's a native, so it's a great option to replace things like burning bush because of its beautiful fall foliage. Another tough shrub that can give you colorful blooms for seasons to come, Potentilla is a great option for those with drier areas in the yard or more rocky conditions. It's also salt tolerant, making it a great option for your beach house. If you want an incredibly hardy native shrub, look no further than the Oakleaf Hydrangea. These beautiful plants boast 4 seasons of interest, from early spring and summer blooms to beautiful fall foliage and really interesting papery bark in the winter. It's a great addition to any landscape. And if you're a big fan of hydrangeas, get ready because there's so many more varieties to round out the summer. Another great option for rocky poor soil is going to be the bush honeysuckle. These native shrubs offer fragrant little blooms that attract pollinators from all around, and in the fall, they turn a range of colors from orange to scarlet to deep burgundy.
If you've been dreaming of a new perennial garden, there's no better time than Perennial Month to break ground on your goals, and there's certainly no better place to find your plants than right here at Bountiful Gardens. If you've got that dream, but don't have the time, our landscape design and installation team can take all that work right off your shoulders. Just email us at landscaping@bountifulgardens.com to get your project started today. We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch another one of our videos. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, leave us a comment and let us know which plants you'd like to see next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content that we're making for you. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.